In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use strips in Wix, a versatile tool that can completely transform your website design. Let's dive into a concise but thorough walkthrough to get you started on this creative journey. First things first, you'll want to open up your favorite browser and navigate to wix.com. This is the playground where all your imaginative ideas can come to life. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials now. And if you're new to Wix, don't worry. You can create a free account quickly and easily in just a few minutes. Once you're all set up with your account, you'll want to look for the wix.com website builder link. It's designed to make website creation feel effortless. A simple click on it will take you directly to the main dashboard, your central hub for all things creative on Wix. Once you're there, you'll need to select a site you'd like to edit by clicking on Select and Edit Site. Consider this your gateway to creativity, where you can start making those exciting changes. Once selected, you'll be directed to a page where you can click on Design Site. This action elevates you into the Wix website editor, the space where all the magic truly happens. Now that you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see an Add Elements option here, which you're going to want to click on. This opens up a treasure trove of components that you can use to enhance your site. Among these, you'll find an option for Strip. Go ahead and click on that. To give you some context, strips are essentially horizontal sections that can house different types of content. Think of them as building blocks that form the structure of your web pages. After clicking on Strip, you'll be prompted to select the specific type of strip you want to add. You'll find that the options are impressively versatile. Whether you're looking for simple, empty strips or more complex pre-designed ones, there's something that will meet your needs. Once you've made your choice, you can click on the strip to position it exactly where you want on the page. Don't hesitate to adjust the strip's width and height to fit your layout. Flexibility is key here. Almost there. Now that your strip is positioned perfectly, it's time to infuse some personal flair. By clicking on the strip in the editor, you'll notice a Change Background option appearing. This is your creative space. Choose a solid color for a minimalist effect, or go with an image or video that complements your site's overall theme. If you decide on a color, clicking on it will open a color palette. Pick a shade that truly captures your brand identity, and watch how it transforms your strip instantly. And just like that, you've successfully integrated strips into your Wix website.